Hey guys, I'm Sheryl Locke with Off the Jacks, and I am here at SEMA 2021. And I'm going to do a quick little walkthrough and show you. They haven't started the show yet, but I'm out back of the West Hall, and I'm going to show you some of the lifted trucks out here. So I thought I'd take just one video of lifted trucks, and God knows we're going to see a lot of them. So let's flip you around and show you what we have. All right, I'm gonna back this off a little bit because these bad boys are big and shiny. The sun isn't even up yet. Check this out. I don't know how much polish it takes for one of these, but boy, I wish I had my remote control car to put up under there. I needed my 360. Look at these wheels. Oh my gosh. Some of y'all might know more about this stuff than I do, because these are not really my thing. I don't know much about them, but I'm gonna do what I can for you. And we'll get up under here, see if we can show you a little bit under here. This one is tall enough I can get under fairly easily. Can I get back up? We don't know. But there you go. A look under this truck. Yes, it is. And I'm going to straighten this camera out and hold it right on my nose. Let me get it up. And that's about how tall it is. So you got a little idea. We're going to go back up under here. Look at this. There's my favorite part of these trucks, that horn. And that is not the only one. I got a whole line of them here, guys. This one's even a little different. Like I said, they're not my specialty. I don't know much about a lot of this, but for those of you that do, I want to try to get a good view for you. I'm going to try to go under this way. I hope they got all the dirt off that they wanted off. All right. Yeah, a few of these are big enough that, well, there you go. When there's a special message, I always want to show that off. Stryker Off Road Design. Oh, I love these wheels. Those are beautiful. These come right up about my waist. Because I know it's hard for y'all to tell just how big this stuff is. And of course, we don't stop there. Some of these, they seem to have started with the biggest one and coming down. I do like how some of these have a design, and that to me is kind of cool. Dooley. I'll show his wheels. I know a lot of this stuff is sponsored, so try to get it. This is a little different. Kind of cool. I like the step. And this one isn't quite as high. But I'm telling you, these big old horns, I need some for my little car. So people, these are some big old spikes on there. Those are kind of cool. I'll try to show you how big they are. They are huge. Four-door. We're just doing trucks this round, and this is more of a work truck, although I don't know if it's ever actually seen work, because that paint is pretty nice. Look at, yeah, I'm guessing not a whole lot of work, except working on it. Is probably the biggest thing. Oh, this one's got some wheels too. This thing looks heavy duty. Now, even the lowriders could appreciate these. These are engraved. They have the sign, the Las Vegas sign. Now, I'm going to try to show you the lugs. They are, that one's missing. Hey, that's not fair. They have a point inside and then spikes coming out. I don't know how else to describe them. But the wheels are beautiful. Look at that. We are doing a little, all I know how to do is lowriders, guys, so I don't know if you can compare these to lowriders. It's another four-door. Double down 2021. Yeah, she's kind of big. We've got We the People truck. Kind of a pretty truck. Kind of like that blue. I see he's got little LED lights. I'll get to the side so you can kind of get a good idea how big it is. We will see more lifted trucks. Okay, somebody will have to tell me what that is, because I don't know. But he's got them all the way around. Are they lights? I'm guessing. I'm sure y'all know. F-350 Lariat. And we'll get a look under here. Coming in hot. Well, and I can't show his stickers because they're on the back window and they are way too high. But I can show this. This is the exhaust on these are huge. Okay, I'm gonna try to squeeze through. I like it. I could get traffic out of my way with or without a loud horn, maybe. Holy moly's, we got more. Some nice green and white. Again, nice wheels. I was watching a bunch of these guys yesterday get out with their automatic steps. This one's a dually. I'll try to show a little bit of his back window, but I can't get too far. And again, we got the, he's got a bunch of horns down here. 2, 3, 4, 6. And then there is his air tank. All right. Like I said, we are at SEMA 2021 in Las Vegas. This is the day before the show starts, so here you go, a Bronco. The show starts on Tuesday, and we're out here on Monday, getting you some sneak peeks in. Not sure about that color. That's kind of a unique color. That. And it's topless. More Fusion bumpers. They taken up the whole lot. Oh, and here comes a unique lift. Not quite the same. Those are kind of pretty. I'd hate to break one of those. Anything under there. This one is a little bit different. I don't know how much of that matters. They all kind of seem the same to me, but I'm sure for some of y'all, they're very different. It's got some thin tires on it. There, I could get some of their sponsors. Out of Texas. All right, so there you go. Those are the line of lifted trucks so far this morning over here in the West Lot. I will be getting more. In fact, I am guessing there will be about 5 million lifted trucks every year. And as you can see, they are still setting up. So I'm trying to stay out of their way, but I'm still trying to get y'all some video of what's going on, and we will put out more clips, so be sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. We got a ton of footage, and the show hasn't even started yet. So thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.